Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you answer question 5 on the THS practice paper 1 for core 1. This has been made for AQA but it's suitable for other exam boards. As ever, if you want more information you can contact me on Twitter here or on our school Twitter account here. If you've not found the paper yet, you can look at the link below and download it from there, and then you can have a go at the questions yourself. So question 5 asks you to work out the value of k to make this quadratic equal to 0, and it says where k is constant and will have equal roots. So this equation is going to have equal roots. This is the key part to this. So if it says equal roots, we know something about it, and hopefully jumping in your head is the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. When something has equal roots, b squared minus 4ac equals 0. So what we need to do is identify from our quadratic here what is a, what is b, and what is c, and then we can put it into our discriminant function here and work out what the values of k could be. Okay, let's have a look then. So a is going to be, well, we've only got 1x squared, so a is 1. B is the coefficient in front of x. So in this case, it's not just 4, but it's all of this. It's k plus 4. So B is, and I'm going to keep it in brackets just for tidiness, k plus 4. And C, this is where people can make silly mistakes. C, you might look at this and go, oh, C is 1. C actually is the whole term at the end, this constant term at the end. If k takes on some value, let's say 2, then this will be 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1 is 9. So this is all C here. Again, I'm going to keep it in brackets just for tidiness, so 4k plus 1. Okay, now I'm going to start substituting these values into my discriminant function. So I've got b squared, which is k plus 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c in this case, which is 4k plus 1, and this is going to equal to 0. Now notice I've tried to keep things really tidy, even though I've made a little bit of mistake here. It should be b squared, it should be like this. So there we go, that's b squared. Notice we have to keep things really tidy. What I've tried to do is keep everything that was a term here. If it was in brackets, I've kept it in brackets. My 4 times a times c, I've done 4 multiplied by 1. I've put the 1 in brackets just to keep it tidy, and my c here. Okay, next we need to expand out the first part here. This isn't just k squared plus 16. Remember, this means k plus 4 multiplied by k plus 4. So again, if you want to do that properly, you might need to work this out. You can use whatever method you like here, but you're going to end up with k squared. My outside pair gives me plus 4k, inside pair plus 4k, last pair plus 16, and notice I can collect my 2 terms together in the centre. So this bit gives me k squared plus 8k plus 16, and then multiplying out this right hand part now, I've got minus 4 times 1, well that's just minus 4, then minus 4 multiplied by 4k, that's minus 16k, and then I've got minus 4 multiplied by positive 1, which is minus 4. And this still equals 0. Now I need to collect all my like terms together. So I've got k squared, I've got positive 8k minus 16k, so minus 8k, and I've got positive 16 minus 4, which is positive 12, equal to 0. And now I need to be able to work out what k is. Well, I've got a quadratic in terms of k. If I want to know what k is, I'm going to have to simply factorise it and solve it. So I'm hoping that there's two numbers that I can find that multiply together to give me positive 12 and add together to give me negative 8. And we can see, hopefully, that this is k minus 2 and k minus 6. So the possible values for k are k equals 2 and 6. Okay, done. Hopefully with any questions like this, when we've got quadratics, certainly in terms of k, notice it's another one of these discriminant questions. It doesn't tell us it's discriminant, it doesn't use the word discriminant anywhere, but it is. The key was it said that it had equal roots. And that's what you're looking for in the question. If it was equal roots, then we're remembering that b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. It might have said that it had two distinct roots. If it was two distinct roots, you'd be using the discriminant and you'd be saying b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. And you're going to get a range of values in this case for k. So take great care with these things. I've also pointed out here, take care with the c term at the end. Our case, it was 4k plus 1, not just 1. You might want to make a little note of that as well, because that's important. As ever, read the question carefully, pick out the keywords. Hopefully this has been useful. Look out for the next one for question 6, and as ever, good luck with your exams. Bye.